Imagine walking into a company where a single AI system is doing the work. That used to require an entire team of employees. Emails are being answered automatically. Reports are generated in seconds. Customer support is handled without long wait times. And content that once took hours is now created in minutes. This is not the future. It's already happening. And today, we'll break down how AI is quietly replacing repetitive work that used to require up to 10 employees. Let's get into it. For decades, businesses followed the same model. If a company wanted to grow, it had to hire more people. More customers meant more support staff. More products meant more data entry workers. More marketing meant more writers and designers. Everything scaled with human labor, and that meant higher costs, more management, and more complexity. Even simple tasks like emails or spreadsheets required multiple employees. But then something changed. Artificial intelligence entered the workplace. AI tools are not replacing entire companies. Instead, they are replacing repetitive tasks. Tasks that are predictable. Tasks that follow patterns. Tasks that don't always require human creativity, like writing emails, answering basic customer questions, creating reports, summarizing data, generating content ideas, organizing information. These tasks used to take hours every day. Now, they take seconds. And this is where the big shift begins. Because one employee using AI can now do the work of several people. Let's take a simple example. A company receives hundreds of customer messages every day. Questions like, "Where is my order? How do I return this product? Can I change my delivery address?" Before AI, a team of support agents answered each message manually. It was repetitive, time-consuming, and expensive. Now, AI chat systems handle most of these questions instantly. They respond faster, reduce waiting time, and free humans for complex issues. So a small team with AI can now do the job of a large support team. AI is also transforming content creation. Marketing teams used to spend hours writing blog posts, social media captions, email campaigns, product descriptions. Each task required planning, writing, editing, and proofreading. Now, can generate a first draft in seconds. This doesn't replace writers. It changes their role. Instead of starting from zero, they now edit, improve, and refine AI content. One person can now do the work that used to require an entire content team. Another major change is data entry. In the past, employees manually entered invoices, receipts, forms, spreadsheets. It was slow, repetitive, and error-prone. Now AI tools can read documents automatically. They extract data, organize it, and update systems instantly. What used to require multiple employees can now be done with one automated system. The real power comes when AI tools are combined. Here's how it works. A customer sends a message. AI reads it. Another AI generates a response. Automation sends the reply. The system logs everything automatically. No manual work, no delays, no extra staff. This is how companies are replacing entire workflows that used to require multiple employees. The phrase, "AI replaced 10 employees," sounds powerful, but it's not completely accurate. AI is not replacing humans entirely. It is replacing repetitive work. It increases productivity and reduces workload. A better way to say it is, one person with AI can now do the work of a team, and that changes everything. Companies are not the only winners. Individuals are also benefiting. A single freelancer can now run a business, create content, handle marketing, manage support, automate operations, all with AI tools. Small creators can now compete with big companies. The playing field is becoming more equal. Jobs will not disappear overnight, but they will change. Employees who adapt will become more valuable. Companies will need people who can use AI tools, manage automation, check outputs, think strategically, solve complex problems. This is not the first major shift in work. Computers changed offices. The internet changed communication. Smartphones changed life. Now AI is changing everything again. So did one AI tool really replace 10 employees? In terms of workload, yes, in many cases. But the real story is bigger. It's not about replacement. It's about transformation. AI is not just reducing work. It is redefining work itself. And those who learn it early will have a major advantage. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more content on AI and the future of work. Because one thing is clear, the future is not coming. It is already here.